Hello students and welcome to English class. Today we learn about one of the important topic of grammar chapter, degrees of comparison. Actually, doing degrees of comparison or converting sentence from one degree to another, it's quite easy and simple if you follow the rules as such. But thing is that you have to be very careful and you have to adhere to the rule as what is taught to you. So come on, let's enter into the topic. First of all, the basis of degrees of comparison. I hope all know it well. We have three degrees of comparison. They are positive, comparative and superlative degree. So over here we are going to learn how to convert from one degree of comparison, from one degree to another. That is how to convert from positive to superlative, from superlative to comparative and vice versa. Learning degrees of comparison becomes even more easier if we are able to divide it into three different cases. So first of all, I'll tell you or I'll discuss in detail about the first case, that is case number 1. Dear students, let's analyze the examples given here. Here the question given is Rahul is the fastest runner in the school. Rahul is the fastest runner in the school. I hope all are able to identify as to which degree of comparison it belongs to. Of course, it comes under superlative degree because fastest is used there. The fastest indicates superlative degree. Now we need to convert it into comparative and positive degree. Let's see how we can do it. Rahul is the fastest runner in the school. First of all, let's give a particular rank for Rahul. Rahul is the fastest runner in the school. So it means that he has got the first ranking in the school, right? So out of 100 students, Rahul stands first, no doubt. So this ranking is very important. And so now we need to convert it into comparative and positive degree. Let's see how we can convert this one into comparative degree. Always remember, when you are converting a superlative to comparative degree, you begin with the same part of the sentence. So how will you begin it? Yes, using Rahul is. You have already learned in the lower class that comparative form of fastest is faster, isn't it? So how will you frame the sentence? Rahul is faster runner than Rahul is faster than any other runner in the school. How we are doing is Rahul is faster than any other runner in the school. So we have converted it into comparative degree now. Now let's see how we can convert it into positive degree. Always remember, when the given noun has got first rank, we are putting a particular rank for the given verb, right? So if it is having first rank, then when you are doing in the positive degree, the word you have to use is always no other. You can simply by heart it. If you have given first rank for the particular person or the noun given there, then in the positive degree, you have to use no other. Now tell me, what is a positive form of fastest? Of course, it is fast. So answer will be, you have to, when you are writing in the positive degree, you have to write from using no other, very few, etc. You can never begin with the same part of the sentence. Superlative and comparative begins with the same part of sentence, whereas positive always starts with some other form. If it is first rank item, we use no other. So let's see what will be the answer here. No other runner in the school is as fast as Rahul. Now, let's analyze the second case. Rahul is one of the fastest runner in the school. That is a question given here. Rahul is one of the fastest runner in the school. So first and the foremost, as I have told you before, is we have to give a particular rank for Rahul. Is Rahul the first rank holder of that school? Related to running? No. Rahul is only one among the fastest runner in the school. Maybe there are 5, 10 or 12 fast runners in the school. Of those runners, Rahul is one of the fastest runner. So what can be the ranking given for Rahul? Can we give 1 out of first rank out of 100 students? No. Let it be 8, 5, 4 or whatever be it. Something other than the first rank. Okay, I'm going to give the rank. Okay, 8th rank. So Rahul is one of the fastest runner in the school. What degree is it? Now we have given rank for Rahul. He is after all not the first rank holder. He will be maybe 8th, 5th or 4th rank. Right? For my convenience or I have chosen 8th rank. Now let's see what will be the answer in comparative form. When you are doing in comparative form, always remember there will be a slight change in the sentence framing. In comparative form, when ranking was first rank, it was any other. I hope you remember it. It was any other. Over here, in comparative form, it will become many other. What will be the change here? Many other. So what will be the answer now? Rahul is more faster than, or Rahul is faster than many other runners in the school. Rest all it's just the same. Rahul is faster than many other runners in the school. If it was first rank, it would have been any other. But since he is one among the many runners, it has become many others. Know the difference? It is many others. Now, what is the next degree remaining to be done? Yes, it is positive degree. So, in positive degree also there will be a slight change. When it was first rank, it was any other and no other. You remember, no? Rahul is the fastest runner in the school. And how you did in positive form is no other runner in the school is as fast as Rahul. Isn't it? So over here the question is Rahul is one of the fastest runner in the school. And how can we do it in positive form? Change that you will find here is instead of no other, you have to write very few. What will you write? Instead of no other, it is very few. Rest all will be the same. So answer will be very few runners in the school are as fast as Rahul. Very few runners in the school are as fast as Rahul. So repeating what we have learned once more. If you have given first rank for the sentence, then in comparative form, you will be using any other. In positive form, you will be using no other. And suppose if the ranking given is 5th, 6th, 8th or whatever rank other than the first rank, what are the changes you can note here? In comparative form, it will become many other. And in positive form, it will become very few. Now, let's go through the third case. Rahul is faster than Rohin. That is a question given here. Here, is there a comparison done with a very big class? Not exactly. Here, comparison is only between two people, two persons. That is Rahul and Rohin. What is said is Rahul is faster than Rohin. So, in what form is it written? Faster than. It is comparative form. So, you need to convert it into positive form. Positive form, we know the rule. It should be as. So, how will you convert it? Rahul is faster than Rohin. We know that positive form always begins with some other word other than what is given in the comparative form. Here, comparative form begins with Rahul. So, positive form can never begin with Rahul. You should start with Rohin. So, come on, let's substitute like that. Rohin is, can you say as fast as Rahul? No. Whenever you are comparing, you are making comparison between two persons. It should be not. You have to make the usage not. So, Rohin is not as fast as Rahul. And now tell me, is the superlative form possible here? Rahul is faster than Rohin. Can you write it in superlative form using fastest? No, because here comparison is made only between two persons. So as a result, there is no superlative form possible here. Clear? So dear students, come on, let's solve this exercise. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in the world. So what's the first step? Yeah, as I told you, you have to give a particular rank for the cities in the world. Can you give first rank or any other rank other than first rank? Of course, you cannot give first rank because Mumbai is one of the biggest cities, meaning that there are various other cities like Mumbai. So let it be 5th or 6th rank for Mumbai. So over here, which are the forms possible? We can do in both comparative as well as in positive form. So let's try out comparative form first. Comparative means it will begin with the same part as the superlative. So you can begin with Mumbai is. Biggest. What is comparative form of biggest? Yes, you're right. It is bigger. You use bigger than. And when the ranking given is 5th rank, for comparative degree, which is the term that you need to use? Any other or many other? Yes, it is many other. So now frame the answer by yourself. Mumbai is bigger than many other cities in the world. Many other cities in the world. Now let's do the positive form. In order to do the positive form, it is very essential that you need to begin with other part of the sentence. So and moreover, when you are beginning with positive form for 5th rank, 6th, 7th, 8th rank, etc., how will you begin? Very few, right? So what will be the answer now? Very few cities in the world are as big as Mumbai. Next question. Gold is the most precious metal in the world. What is the rank given here? Yeah, it is most precious. So it means it is superlative degree, right? And what is the rank given here? Is it one of the precious or the most precious? Most precious. So the rank is first rank. So first rank means which is the term you need to use in comparative degree? Many other or any other? Anyhow, you have to use it. That's compulsory. Either many other or any other. So which one will you use here? Yeah, any other. And so what's the answer? Gold is more precious than any other metals in the world. So now what's remaining? We need to do it in positive degree. For positive degree, how will you begin? Very few or no other? If it is first rank, it is no other. So what's the answer? No other metal in the world is as precious as the gold. I hope all have understood the concept of degrees of comparison and transforming from one degree to another. So we'll wind up our class here. Remaining, we'll continue in the next session. So till we meet again, goodbye.